So there is an error into the Toshiba VFD communication E-43 communication timeout, like it is embedded Ethernet. So normally this error occurs when communication timeout, like there is a cable of Ethernet cable which is connected to your VFD. So if there is an issue into that cable, like cable is not connected properly, or maybe cable connector is damaged, or maybe cable is broken in between from your PLC controller or to the VFD. So it could be because of that. And so major reason is, and if there is not any issue into the PLC end, like your controller end, okay. So these also could be reason. If like you found that everything is okay, like so what you can do, you can remove the your LAN cable from both end, and you can test at another place. If there also it is the still same issue, so in that case, what you can do, you just need to like if cable is okay, you just need to clean your Ethernet connectors, like that should be from very dried things. So you can clean your connectors, and if connector is okay, and then you can try to replug and all. And if it still is same problem, so there could be the issue inside of your VFD control card, which is giving the communication control to the PLC. So if you will check that, so then only you will get the solution. If still it is the problem, so there is a hardware issue. So if your problem is still not resolved, what you need to do, you need to take membership of my channel, and then you can write a mail to us on your mail ID, incasesales1@gmail.com. So on behalf of that your inputs, I will support you and I will help you to resolve your these issues.